What is Chatgpt? A closer look at OpenAI's chatbot. Chatgpt is an AI-powered chatbot created by OpenAI. It utilizes natural language processing and deep learning algorithms to enable a conversational AI experience. The chatbot also has the ability to adapt its answers based on context and understand both text and voice input. How does it work? It's based on a powerful deep learning architecture, which means it can understand the text as well as create and produce new content. What is the process? The process begins with the AI system reading a corpus of text, then generating an internal representation of language based on its understanding of the text. This process allows for an accurate and timely response to users, which can be used for various applications, from customer service chatbots to virtual assistants. Interacting with Chatgpt? With its powerful deep learning architecture, it is able to provide detailed responses that accurately match user queries in real time. Improvement in future. As the capabilities of AI improve, developers will have opportunities to integrate AI into their products and services. With this continuing support, developers will be able to unlock the full potential of machine learning technologies like Chatgpt and bring AI closer to reality. What are its potential applications? With its ability to comprehend natural language conversations and generate relevant responses, it is ideal for developing high-quality video scripts and interactive conversations. Can I use it in marketing? Marketers can utilize Chatgpt to develop content tailored to their audience and determine which products or services best fit their customers' needs. Content creation in Chatgpt. By understanding natural language conversations, it can generate highly relevant content for any type of website or blog. Chatgpt for businesses and strategy. With its many potential applications, this is a powerful tool for businesses and marketers looking to create engaging video content, develop effective marketing strategies, or create content for their websites. Learning and tutorials. It also provides comprehensive tutorials and guides which help users make the most out of their chatbot experience. Safety and encryption. OpenAI ensures all conversations remain secure through encryption technology so user data remains safe. On the plus side, it is extremely user-friendly and easy to use. The platform provides an intuitive interface that allows developers to customize the chatbot and improve its performance over time. If you're interested in trying out Chatgpt, the process is fairly simple. Once you've logged in, you can explore many various features and start experimenting with them. This process is easy and straightforward, and you'll soon be able to generate multiple projects on a variety of subjects within Chatgpt. Overall, it is a great way to learn more about AI and chatbots, while also having some fun. Pictory is a video creation and marketing platform that can use Chatgpt's AI technology to help businesses create effective and engaging videos. Future potential. Overall, Chatgpt has a lot of potentials to revolutionize how we interact with computers. With the right training and resources, it can provide an effective way for businesses and individuals to interact with an AI assistant in a natural way. Thanks for watching.